551 of our Web3 journey. I'm Ed Krasenstein here with my twin brother Brian. Remember, these videos are sponsored by NFT Tech. They are an investor in DeSoFi. So, Brian, we're about to get hit by Hurricane Ian. Things are not looking good at all. We're going to try and rush through this video because we don't know how much longer we're going to have power. So, you want to talk a little bit about what's going on?
Yeah, so we have a category 4 hurricane. It's almost a category 5. They just upgraded it to 155-mile-an-hour winds. It's headed slightly north of here, probably about 40, 50 miles north of here. We're going to be on the bad end for storm surge. So that's what has us most concerned. The homes are built pretty well down here to withstand category 4 and category 5 hurricanes, at least the new ones are. But storm surge is going to be a concern since we're on the river, the Caloosahatchee River. Uh, we'll try and update you guys throughout the day if we can, if we have power, if we have internet. I'll try and post some pictures and videos and just let you guys know we're safe. I'm pretty sure we're going to be safe.
Yeah, and Michelle Lord is safe too. I know that the storm was originally going to hit Tampa. It's now going to hit a little south of that. And Michelle Lord, of course, is from Tampa, and she has a beach house. So, but I talked to her yesterday. She's safe. She's actually in New Hampshire with one of her daughters. So she's completely out of the way of the storm. Just wanted to let everybody know. She hasn't been able to access DSO though because it signed her out on her mobile device. And I guess she doesn't have her seed phrase with her, or she's gonna have to pull it out from somewhere. So she is safe.
Yeah.
Don't worry about Michelle Lord.
Yeah. So we're going to rush through this because I want to have time to upload this before the power goes out, which I'm guessing is going to happen in the next hour or so.
I
So
just
let's get
talk.
started. Pearl has clarified how the subscription royalties work for their new model that which we talked about yesterday. Royalties are going to be distributed based on the percentage of Creator Coin a holder owns. So, for example, if you own 10% of our Creator Coin and we offer subscriptions and we rake in $10,000 in subscriptions, those coin holders will receive a 10% payout of that royalty. So
Well, so it'll be 10% of
10%.
the 20%.
Exactly.
So the creator coin holders get 20%. The creator gets 80%, and then if you own 10%, you're going to receive 10% payout from that 20%.
Yeah, thanks for clarifying. So Pearl's update to creator coins will uh, create a variation of the coins that we all know. So they're basically building on top of the creator coins, if I understand it correctly. And they hope that it's going to reflect a less gameable model using supply and demand, which I think it's really cool. I think that could have a lot of potential as well. They're going to be sharing more details on this on their account. So definitely follow the Pearl account.
Yeah, so I don't know if that means that what they're doing now with these subscriptions are going to be a variation or if stuff they do in the future is, but it's going to be interesting. And I just want to note Brian is breaking up a little bit today. That's because my Wi-Fi has gone out already and I'm using my phone's internet, so it might be a little choppy. So I want to move on. Yesterday we were talking about these subscriptions. We said, we had to come up with a good idea for subscriptions for our users. And Stubborn Dad actually replied and had a really interesting idea. He said that maybe we should do one for our followers, and maybe we should allow our subscribers to have their DSO username appear in our credits at the end of our these videos. He said perhaps maybe only guarantee a spot for a short number of videos per month, maybe like 15 a month or 5 a month or 10 per month, in case we get too many sponsors. I like that idea. Thanks for giving that to us, Stubborn Dad. Maybe we'll do something like that in the future.
Yeah, definitely. So moving on, it's a doing amazing things. He said that he has onboarded 130 new users onto DSO in just 1 hour yesterday with the Mint as NFT account. And basically, he did this by having a giveaway. He said he made a post on Twitter and he said, drop your DSO protocol username to get something hot in your NFT wallet instantly. Don't have a username? Claim it at diamondapp.com for free. And this has generated so much interest. Like just that little thing can generate that much interest. I think that we could really do even more than this, and Core could probably help out. So great job. It's a great OG, great ideas.
Yeah, exactly. So moving on, Natter, he made a post basically touting OneCloud, OneCloud.io. He said it allows you to earn a passive income from your tweets and protect your content from censorship. It takes only 30 seconds to sign up. He said that he's been using it for months now. He just sets it and forgets it. He then replied to his own post and said, quote, come support decentralized social media. And then he tagged Balaji's, Sean McGuire, Andy Arts, C. Dixon, Vera Ditakit, and Naval. So it's interesting. He's trying to get the attention of some of these original investors and some of these original big names that have been on DCEL.
Yeah. And moving on, Lazy Nina responded to Gawerji and said that they are aware of an issue with messages on nodes. And she just wrote, we are aware of an issue affecting encrypting, decrypting messages on mobile devices and are working on a solution.
Yeah, I hear the power of flickering, Brian. So Emulsify made an update to DSO.com yesterday, and he's made a post listing some of the things he's doing. He designed new interim DSO.com landing page and hired an agency to take it even further. He created 3 AAA audience segments, explainer videos with Ordinary Folk Team. He published a roadmap that's 3 quarters out. He improved onboarding flows. He created onboarding content with Jacob Van, launched DAO DAO. He's holding a hackathon soon. He's holding an accelerator program for creators with the Pearl team. He set up a CRM to automate the funnel. He cleaned up the developer docs. He cleaned up the foundation Discord. He integrated MegaSwapper UI to remove buying friction, and he's blitzing all the exchangers. He also said he's scoping a growth hack that could be potentially bigger than BitClout was. This is really exciting. And he said once the COO is hired, the COO will hire more business development and partnership folk, and then the funnel is really going to come together.
Yeah, they're really looking forward to what they're doing. Let's keep going, keep rolling.
Yeah, so GD Virtual Gallery is opening its second round of the DAO DAO funding today, and it's going to run until November 10th. The goal is to create 15,000 soft DAOverse managed. So, I'm sorry, I messed my notes up. Goal is to create 15,000 square foot DAOverse. It's going to be managed by the community. Also planning to link the DAO Virtual Hub and Virtual Store to the DAOverse. Top contributors to the DAO will be brought to Las Vegas for a once-in-a-lifetime experience. That's if it's fully funded. So definitely check that out. And Brian, who are the top 10 people with the most NFT bits in this 24 hours?
Quickly, Nordian, Eat Green Apples, BitCloud FR, Gawerji, Procrustes, Diamond VC, Duja, Create Crypto, Visual Gulio, Peter H, Meta Philosopher, and the top Diamond users are the last 24 hours, thanks to Altenbase or AK Gress, Be It Me Not You, Rezabian, Mabel, Clout Women Unite, Decent Tong, Krasenstein, which is us, Emulsified, Lil Lover, and Goldberry.
And today's events, thanks to Miss Katie Ann, Web3 Wednesdays with Caleb and Sean Tron on Entra at 1:30 p.m. Eastern Time. 2 p.m. Eastern Time is Tech and Web3 Legal Office Hours with Francisco Witzberg, Sean Tron, Michael Mara on Entra. 7 p.m. Web3 Pills, NFT Wednesday on Twitter with Alex Velatis, Twitter Spaces that is. And at 8:30 p.m. Eastern Time is Web3 Weekly Digest on Entra with Mark Angelos. I'm sorry we went so fast, but our power keeps flickering in and out. And I don't
my
know
power's out, so.
All right, so we will talk to you tomorrow. Have a great rest of your day.